Photoshop can set up grid lines for you very easily. And the way that you do that is to come up into the View menu. And the first thing you want to do is show the rulers. Now the rulers, if you right mouse button click on them, will let you view in pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, picas, and percent. And you can choose which ones of those that you want. To manually set a grid line, all you have to do is just click and drag off of one of the rulers, and you can set either a horizontal grid line or a vertical guideline. If you have the Move tool, you can get right on a guideline and move it to another location, or you can drag it back to the ruler and completely get rid of it. Also in the View menu, there is a new guide layout, and here you can set the number of columns and rows that you want for your grid. You can set a margin if you wish around the edges, and you can set a gutter between the various rows and columns here. So let's say I want 8 columns and 3 rows. Just click OK. Using these guides along with the Frame tool that you just learned about, you can set up templates very easily. You can set up grid layouts, magazine layouts, brochure layouts, and create very organized and clean graphic designs.